Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagarpalike BBMP has presented its largest ever budget for 2025-26 with a total outlay of 19,930 crore rupees, a 50% increase from the previous year. Dr. Harish Kumar K, Special Commissioner for Finance, presented the budget at Town Hall in the presence of BBMP Chief Commissioner Tushar Girinath and Administrator S.R. Umashankar. This marks the fifth consecutive budget presented without an elected body. BBMP expects to generate revenue from multiple sources including 5,716 crore rupees from property tax, 7,000 crore rupees from state government grants, 500 crore rupees from the World Bank and 238 crore rupees from the National Disaster Mitigation Fund, among others. A significant 65% of the budget is allocated for development projects, while 1,751 crore rupees is set aside for administrative expenses, 1,968 crore for project maintenance, and 1,400 crore rupees for solid waste management. Although property tax rates remain unchanged, BBMP has proposed a new user fee for solid waste management services, an additional cost that may impact Bengaluru residents. What do you think of BBMP's 19,930 crore rupees budget? Will it lead to better infrastructure and services? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Salar Digital for more updates on Bengaluru's latest developments.